Hello guys, welcome back to another circuit, and this will be a different one. I'll teach you one new thing, that is how to position the piston at the start of a different sequence. Now the sequence for this circuit will be A minus, B minus, A plus, B plus. So now when you see the stroke is starting from A minus, means it is already in A plus actuated condition. Rest is everything is same, just we need to see some connections between the DA cylinder and the 4x2 pneumatically operated valve. So let's start with the basic circuit. I'll make the FRL and the power pack quickly as possible. As we have discussed in the previous one, we'll require a 4x2 push button operated DCV. In industry, 5x2 is usually used, but here we are using 4x2 as it is available. It will be spring returned and push button. Output port, we need muffler. This is a basic power pack. Now we have to make two DA cylinders. What I'm going to do here is, instead of making it again, I'll just copy it from the previously made circuit. Now that we have done, I'll close that circuit. Now what we have is, we need A minus first. So what I do here is, the piston position at the start has to be controlled. That is why piston position, I have to do it the full stroke length 100. Similarly here also. Now this is cylinder B, so I change the actuating labels. Now this is the circuit. Now what we see is, when this, we usually actuate this first. So when this will be actuated, the left envelope will get activated and it will supply from here and will result in the forward stroke. We actually don't need that, right? We need A minus first. So in this case, we do cross connection. This is called straight connection. Now what I'm going to do is called cross connection. So if you see, the lines have crossed here. So when the left hand side envelope gets activated, we'll get A plus. Okay, so this is a basic start of the circuit. Now let's start. Similarly, you have to do same cross connections in the other cylinder as well. Here you can shift the lines on by clicking and dragging in this software. So now we have done. Now our sequence is A minus. So when the push button is pressed, the left envelope gets activated. So fluid will flow from 1 to port 4 and we get A plus, A minus. Now after A minus, we need B minus. We'll use a 3x2 roller, as you know in the last circuit we had used. And this will confirm A naught, that is A minus. After A minus, we want B minus. And this will get connected in the same line like this. Now after this, when the push button is released due to the spring force, this right hand side envelope will get activated. We want A plus. So from 1, the fluid will flow to 2, and then we have to get A plus. We get A plus, and after A plus, confirmation of A plus, we want B plus. This will only get activated after A1. And now we have finished a circuit. So let's simulate it. Now what I see is lines through connections. This means sometimes the lines while making the circuits get overlapped. So what you need to do is either you delete the line and make it again, or you can shift the lines. I have deleted and made again because it was easy, right? Now let's simulate the circuit. So before pressing the push button, everything is in its origin position. Air goes from the compressor, FRL, then it stops here. It goes from 1 to 2, and these both are back to their original position. Now, when the push button is pressed, what we get is A minus, B minus. When I release the push button, I get A plus, B plus. Now I've got my circuit. This is the simplest explanation of the circuit. Hope you all guys liked it. If you have any doubts, put in the comment section below. I'll be pleased to help you out with them.